Today I'm having a little bit of a Mexican fiesta. I've made these absolutely delicious taco shells stuffed with a unique black bean and tomato medley. It's absolutely delicious. So basically I got these taco shells from a health food store. They're organic, they're made simply with corn and coconut oil, and you basically stuff them, and I've popped a little bit of guacamole on the top. So I want to show you exactly how I make these. Alright, let's see how they taste. Okay. I'm really pleased with how they've turned out. They've got an absolute gorgeous dance of flavours with lots of beautiful things winding in together. I hope this inspires you to create this or something similar, to get creative in your own kitchen and find kind, compassionate ingredients just to inspire you and to share with friends and family, and we'll just enjoy yourself. So let me know how you get on. I do hope that you come and visit my website, kindearth.net. If you like what you see here, please come and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now.